I can't tell you how many women sit in my chair exhausted, not just from breakage, but from wasting money on fake Batana oils from Amazon and TikTok shop. One of my clients felt the same way. Her routines kept changing, her products kept changing, but her hair kept getting worse. And it wasn't her fault. A lot of what's out there isn't properly sourced or formulated for 4A to 4C hair. So when she hesitated to try Elego's Batana conditioner made with real Batana, I bought it for her myself. Her strands stopped snapping. The sink wasn't full of hair, and wash day stopped feeling stressful. If you're tired of paying for hope, try this. If you don't notice a difference, you get your money back. No questions asked. 1 batch per month only. I can't wait to see your results.